third day in Ho Chi Minh. It's actually my last full day. Wala akong plan. So, ikot-ikot lang ako. And hopefully, avoid the scams. Plan ko muna magkape. Pero halos mag-alas 12 na kasi. So, baka mag-brunch na din ako. Masaya kasi nakatulog ako ng parang mga 9 hours or something. Which is seldom kapag nagta-travel ako. Kasi laging puyat. Kaya ako din ginawa yung tour ng one day para isang ano na lang, isang excursion, ganun. So, si Little Hanoi actually, ito talaga yung known for having good egg coffee. So, let's try it. Medyo natataste ko yung egg. So, I need to mix it up some more. So, mura lang siya, ano, parang 40 per glass. Tapos, you can either have it cold or hot. Tapos, it's really good. Pero try natin kapag fully mixed. Better. Kasi diba kapag may egg medyo malansa, diba? So, mix lang. So, I just finished my egg coffee. So, ano lang siya, 40,000 dong. So, I kind of forgot kung magkano yun. Pero, 120 something? I don't know, 100 pesos? I don't know. Pero, I'm gonna get McDonald's. I'm really curious kung paano yung lasa ng McDonald's. PJB, don't hate me. So, here in McDonald's now, I ordered BIC rice in Korean sauce. Manghang, good luck naman sa akin. And then Fanta, and then spicy rice. So let's see. Ang itim ko naman. And let's see kung gaano sa kaanghang and kasarap. So it's 54,000. So I think that's like 140, 130 pesos. Not bad. So it looks super good. And it also looks super manghang. So good luck. Kailangan mo ng Fanta. Nag-coffee ako tapos biglang manghang. Good luck. Umiinit yung pakiramdam ko. So, kakatapos ko lang mag-McDonald's. It's really good. Yung variety niya, yung mga binibenta nila. Isa lang yung may rice. I crave na ako ng rice. Parang 3 araw na ata ako di nagkakanin. So, yun yung binili ko. It's good naman. Manageable yung anghang. Pero I had to eat lots of ice. So I'm back in the hostel. Chill lang kasi nga diba wala akong itinerary and all. So nakaupo ako dito sa labas. Tapos dalawa na yung lumapit sa akin na gusto maglinis ng shoes ko. Sabi ko, no, I can't. Sabi ko, no. Tapos nakikinig lang ako ng The Tortured Poets Department. Listen to it, guys. I love Taylor Swift. And you will too. Anyways, hostel review. Sige. Very social hostel. Majority of the people here, Westerners. And then, I usually meet mga British people here. Mabait naman sila, pero minsan talagang hirap lang itindihin kasi sobrang thick ng accent. Pero kaya minsan medyo ganun na lang ako kasi di ko talaga maintindihan. Pero they're nice, in fairness. So it's called the Hideout Hostel. So really recommend it if you wanna mingle around. I'm here at Pho Bu Buwa. So nahanap ko siya sa Google Maps. One of the high-rated pho places here in Ho Chi Minh. Pumunta ko sa hindi rush hour time. And then I ordered yung pinakamura nilang pho. Actually, ang laki. I'm gonna show it later. Pero meron siyang beef strips, rice, noodles, and then may mga veggies, and then it comes with a side of greens. Medyo champa. Parang hindi ka ata magkakasakit kapag nasa Vietnam ka ever. The lime really helped because it adds a bit more tanginess, ganun. And then, super sharp ng consistency ng flavor. Walang ba. Feel ko mas solid to kapag umuulan or super lamig. Very hearty kasi. Nagpuwisan ako doon, sobrang anghang. Naglagay na naman ako ng super daming chili. I hate myself. So I'm leaving. It's May 6, my birthday. So may flight ako going to Phuket at 9 AM. It's now parang mga 6:40, 6:30 ka na. So I'm gonna leave already. I'm gonna order a GoJet going to the airport, and then hopefully di masyado mahaba yung pila. Yung ginawa ko nung gabi, nanood lang ako ng movie with Aussie girls. They were so nice. Kasi may movie room dito sa hostel. Ayan siya. That one. And so, movie room siya. Nanood kami nung, No Hard Feelings. Sobrang falita ako ng tao. Oh my God! And then, they're like the sweetest people. So, I think tulog pa sila. So, kagabi kami nagbabayad ako. So, I'm leaving in a bit on a jet plane again. I have my stuff with me. 024. I'm here. Feels so sick. Sakit ang tiyan ko. Sakit ang tiyan ko from the stress. Oh my God. Nakaabot naman ako. Oh my God, talaga. I had to run in my socks. Para lang makaabot sa gate. Buti na super lapit. Oh my gosh. Tapos na-delay pa ng konti yung flight. Not 15 minutes. So, feel ko masusuka ako. Don't be like me.